So we're out here at one of the shelters today, doing a little small game hunting. Decided to just take a few minutes. Just figured I'd go over kind of what I'm carrying for a survival kit when I go hunting. What's in my game vest. So we recently did an article about shotguns. So as an example, proof of concept. So to start things off, we'll talk about the shotgun quick. Recently did an article about shotguns, in particular combination guns. This right here is a 20 gauge Remington 870 Express Magnum. It's got a set of Hogue overmolded synthetic stock and forend on here. It has a aftermarket magazine tube cap that takes a sling swivel, and it's also got screw-in chokes. Right now I believe I have an improved cylinder choke in there. During deer season I run this with a slug barrel. Right now I got the bird barrel, and I'm just shooting 20 gauge number 6s because I'm anticipating squirrel, rabbits, and possibly some upland birds, but predominantly looking for squirrel and rabbit today. So that's the shotgun I'm carrying with me. So this vest is from Game Hide. Had it quite a while. It's like a Carhartt material. Forget the size, but I use it every year. I like it quite a lot. It has two main zippered pockets in the front, and then an extended game bag that goes all the way through to the back, as well as shell loops on both sides. And it also has one interior pocket as well. So this is a little survival kit that I carry in this magazine pouch right here. And I take this on an airplane with me wherever I go that I can't bring a survival kit that's got blades in it. For a blade for skinning, I got this surgical razor blade right here. And I shove that down in the side. If you want to see what brand, there it is. Just came in a survival kit. Water purification tabs. Got, I think there's 100 in here. Hank of bank line, some fishing line with electrical tape wrapped around it, a roll of electrical tape right here, pill bottle with some cotton balls in it, tinder, 2 emergency blankets, 2 emergency ponchos, and get a set of AA batteries. And in this little pouch I got some more cordage, a ferro rod, some tape, signal mirror, snare wire, fishing kit, whistle, duct tape, I don't know if I said that already, another little button compass, and some tin foil, a couple other odds and ends. So I keep that in here. All this goes in this pouch. In this interior pocket I got some granola bars. On the outside, run a button compass. On the opposite side in the front, I have TacMed Solutions medical kit, my Spot satellite phone, then I got a match safe, lighter, good pair of gloves, and a beanie. Then in the back of the vest, I have an Nalgene. Often I'll carry a nesting cup on it, and in a Ziploc bag I got a merino wool 3/4 zip. So that's all contained just in this vest. I also have all the shell loops full, and this just supplements everything I'm carrying in my EDC too. A Gerber, some fire starting stuff, handgun, things of that nature.